video. Now B and C. Every integer is a whole number. We have to find out true or false. So every integer is a whole number. Is it true or false? See, this is a number line. Integer means what? Center is 0. Here positive numbers, here negative numbers. Integer means all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, up to infinity, up to infinity. So these are all integers. Now what are whole numbers? Whole numbers start from 0. So every integer is a whole number is false, because every whole number is an integer. That may be true. Okay. Now next. So this is B is false. Between two rational numbers, there exists infinite number of integers. Between two rational numbers. Now this is a general statement. It can be true also, it can be false also. Because two rational numbers, I can take 1 and 1 lakh. If I take these two rational numbers, there exists infinite number of integers. But then also they are not infinite. They are countable. Infinite means which we cannot count. If I take 1 to 1 lakh, I know how many are there in between. If I take 1 to 2, then there is no number. So this is again false. So all the three are false.